Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change pet name in Grow a Garden Roblox. Alright, let's begin. When you hatch a pet from an egg in Grow a Garden, the game assigns it a random name automatically. You can view your pet's name by placing it in your garden and hovering your mouse over it. You can also see the pet's name on the right-hand side of the screen by selecting or looking directly at it. Currently, there is no official option to manually change your pet's name. The name stays the same once it's assigned during the hatch. However, the game's developer is known for being very community-driven, so there's a chance this feature could be added in a future update. There is a workaround that involves community trading. If you trade your pet with someone who has the same level and type, such as a level 33 capybara, you might receive a pet with a different name. This doesn't allow you to pick a name, but it can change the one your pet has. So that's basically how you can change pet name in Grow a Garden Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.